Are your batteries being rejected? Are you getting complaints from clients and top management? As long as your company continues producing batteries made with low-quality lead oxide and plates, you won't be able to find a solution. If you really want to solve these issues, the first thing to do is change the oxide production system, because lead oxide and battery plates are the heart of your batteries. Excellent lead oxide and well-made plates are the best way to make an excellent lead battery. In particular, Mott Mill Oxide is the type of oxide that will give you top-notch batteries with guaranteed cycle life and strong starting power. But there's more. Only lead oxide with a tetragonal molecular structure will give you consistently stable parameters, controlled production, without human errors. Plus, you'll reduce your production costs significantly. Thanks to the lead shaver, cylinder production will cost 90% less, and no exhaust emissions. These are the results you can get thanks to CAM's MOP Oxide Mill, the most efficient ball mill in the industry. Thanks to our climatized mill chamber and our exclusive internal water cooling system that sprays water directly on the lead, your oxide will be stable. Using the MOP is so easy, you won't need specialized personnel to run it. This will only mean one thing for your company. You'll produce high-level lead oxide so you can start to win in the lead battery market. Replace your machinery that produce high orthorhombic oxide, are subject to human error, and in general, don't let you rest easy. Find out what type of MOP oxide mill is ideal for your battery production. Get in touch with our assistant at cam@cam-srl.com.